Rebound dito para sa Caloocan. Will drive to the paint. Yes, yes sir! In his inside pass, the fire of the wind blow. Yes sir! Fade away. Very good. Rebound ang pass naman tumalo. No! Goal! Inside pass. Fires. Basket and one. PSL 2025. And the first ball possession for Caloocan against Black Fox. Espinas to Bitoon. Bitoon now on the corner. Espinas, one bounce and Bitoon pass, bounce pass. Espinas drives to the paint. Very good. Rebound and a put back. Bucket, first blood. And the pass, Escoso. Inside pass, Nipes. In his inside pass, the fire of the wind blow. Yes, stolen by Bitoon. Bitoon is spinning against Martinez. Espinaza. Gonzalez lost the ball and recover and fires. Finishing is on. The bounce pass. Kepes for 3. Short. Rebound dito para sa Caloocan. Will drive to the paint. Yes, sir. Escoso, easy to Escoso. Bitoon, he attacks. Fade away, na good. Rebound ang pass naman tumalon. No! Gonzalez. Martinez against Bitoon. Martinez set the play against Espinas. And the pass to the Miguels. Kipines, Leish, yes sir. Bitoon now at the top. The bounce pass. Espinas posting up. And he fires, falling away. No good. Rebound. Still for team Caloocan. Open, fires at 3. Bam! 3 points. Martinez against Bitoon. Behind the back against Espinas. Lee short. Espinas the rebound. The pass break. And Bitoon goes inside. The bounce pass. And pass back. Bitoon will finish. And counted it. And all stolen. Here's Bitoon behind the back dribble. To the hoop. Short. And rebound. Pass to Bitoon. To the middle. Ang gandang pass. Ang gandang finish. And the pass drives to the paint. Nagid. Rebound and a follow-up shot. Nipe. And corner pass. And bounce pass. Sa gitna, Nipes. He bump. He floater off the window. Nipes. And here's Black Fox basketball. And the bounce pass to the middle. Launches on 3. Bam! 3 ball. Into the middle. And pull up jumper to free throw area. Bullseye. And he's stolen. And the pass. And all around to the hoops. Easy 2. And here's and recover for 3. Bang! Martinez. Rebound Martinez now in Harry. Inside pass. Fires. Basket and 1. Team Caloocan to the wing side for 3. Very good. Rebound pa rin para sa Team Caloocan. Another second chance. Bang! 3 points. And nakagaw po. Binitbit easy bucket. And tawang bigla. Binitbit na sekwat. Easy to. And he dribbled the ball. And attacks bump. Left-handed floater na good. And the pass. Stops, launches on 3. Na good. Bounce pass and fire off the window. Yes, sir. The pass. Setting the play for Team Caloocan. And pass to the middle for 3. Bang! 3 points. He posts up to the midtang. Gandang deliver naman yun. And the finish. Alanes sa gitna. And drive, side step, floater shot. Yes, sir. Middle. And the high pass. And fires at 3. Short. Baseball pass. And here you go, reverse layup of the window. Yes, sir, Martinez. Bounce pass to the middle. Drives. Inside. Ganda, pinasa, pinaganda. Tinapos. This bump sa gitna. Martinez. Bounce pass. Escoso. Inside pass. Pull up J. Yes, sir. The high pass. And drive. Bump. Kicks out Escoso. Ooh, stolen. And the pass break. And now, Kasin. Easy bucket. Bump. And stop. Escoso. Stops Martinez for 3. Bang! 3 points Martinez. And the pass. And sets the play. Wing side. Naagawan. Behind the back pass. Oh! The smooth and the perfect. Oh! Benteng tira na ata. Attacks. Loss. Oh! Naagawan. Woo! Oop. And for the inbound. Corner 3. Bang! 3 points. The end of. And dribbling the ball. Will pass. Fakes. And he Espinas. Bump and fire. No good. Rebound. Put back shot. No, in and out. And the pass break. 3-on-1 ang laban. Martinez si pinasa. Lace. Yes, sir. And Bituon. Goes to the screen. Bituon will drive. Create space. Pull at Gale. Fade away. Bakit for 2. Bituon. Martinez, the high pass. Casajero. Sa gitna. Floater shot. Yes, sir. Na Casajero. Drives. Pinabitin. Oh, no good. Sa gitna. One bump against Espinas. Floater shot. Bakit over Espinas. And dribble. The high pass. Corner. Escoso. Escoso, bounce pass. Casajero to Escoso, post up. Paul fade away, no good rebound. And the fire. Bucket for 2 and 1. Casajero, crossover move, naagawan, hook pass. Eksakto, easy bucket. And sa gitna, drives, kicks out, wide open, Bituon, launches on 3. Nagid. Rebound, no, nalinisan sila sa loob. Easy to. And he's spinning. Escoso, corner. Wild open for 3. Short. Rebound pa rin para sa team Black Fox. Floater shot. Oh, no good. Escoso. Yes, sir. And there you go. For team Black Fox. Dalawa yung bumantay. Bounce pass inside. Libreng-libre off the glass. Yes, sir. And to the middle. Fires deep 3. Bang! 3 points. Winning. Tatlo yung bantay. Recover. Alanes for 3. No good. Rebound. Fires. Rebound pa rin. Escoso. Bump. Spins. Fires. Basket and 1. The pass. Pass it back. Corner. Hill drives. Force 3. Bang! 3 points! And dribbling the ball, the bounce pass to the middle. And looking for the opponent. And open look, fires at 3. Short. Rebound para dito sa Caloocan. Naiwan yung bola. Out, nadulas. Open. Set the play. 6 seconds on the game clock. Fakes. Drives. Side step. Kicks out. Open far sa 3. Bang! At the base at the horn! That's the end of the third. And here you go, Team Black Fox. Stops. And goes to the middle. Now 2, guarded by 2. Corner pass. Fires at 3. Short. Rebound Kipes. Sa 3. Bang! 3 point. And at the middle. And there's Espinas. Post up. Kicks out. Fakes. Drives. Inside reverse layup. No good. And the long pass. Bounce pass is stolen. And here's Team. The pass. Wild open for 3. Won't go. Rebound and a putback. Yes sir. Easy 2. And a ball possession for Caloocan. Espinas kicks it out. Another one. Espinas post up. Open look. Fires at 3. Nugget. And the pass. Open. Fires at 3. Martinez. Bang! Martinez. Spinning. Goes to the middle. Corner pass. Drives. Fakes. Clutch. Lace. Yes sir. Catch. 2 on dribbling the ball. Guarded by 2. High pass to the middle, launches on 3. Bang! 3 point. And the pass. Come on. Oy! Shit! Oy, oy, oy. Oy! Nangisay! Dito on the high pass. And the pass. So far 3. In and out. Martinez. Corner pass. Will drive. Sa gitna. Hook shot. Bucket for 2. 2 on. Biton will drive. Goes to the rim. Yes sir. Biton. Backdoor inbound. The bounce pass. Will attacks. Please. Kasin. Bucket for 2. And here you go. Setting the play for Team Black Fox. Martinez. Bounce pass. Drive to the hoop. Won't go. Basket for 2. Escocio. 8-point lead for Team Caloocan. Bituon. The pass. Wild open. Left alone for 3. Short. Rebound. Pass inside. And Espinas kakaldag. Fakes. Oh, difficult shot. Basket and 1. Sa wakas. Tabut. Bituon. Bituon penetrates inside pass, kicks it out, Wild open for 3. Bang! 3 points! Alonzo inbounding, Escocio. High pass. Another extra pass, pull up jumper, baseline, bucket for 2. And for the inbound, he pass to the corner. And pass inside, the floater shot. Pull up J. Wala pa rin. Put back shot, follow up shot, and the finish. The pass. Kicks out. And that's the end of the game. Congratulations.